That's what we rocking out with for now. So like I said, we finna get ready to get on the road, and it shouldn't be too long. Should be fairly quick. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor. Like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Now, this video is finally gonna be some driving footage of the Cutlass. This is something I've been waiting to do really since I got the car back. And yeah, now like I said, we just finna go ahead and do the driving footage. I'm gonna throw my GoPro and my setup on. I haven't thrown it on yet. It is, my setup's right here, so I gotta throw that on the back of the car. I gotta see how I want to angle it and how I want to get it on there and all that stuff. So yeah, that's what we're finna do this video. We're finna be driving the Cutlass, and I'm gonna let y'all see me driving it. Now this video, I'm only gonna do the GoPro footage. Probably the next video, if not the next video, the video after the next one, sometime around there, I'm gonna do a inside point of view with my camera like right here on my dash while I'm driving, to where y'all can see like part of the steering wheel and then me. So I'm gonna end up doing that too, because I've seen a couple people say do an inside point of view of you driving your car. So I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna do that on this one, my box, once I get my fan shroud, and I'm gonna do it on my Charger as well. So I'm gonna end up, like I said, doing the inside point of view as well. And yeah, but this video we're gonna be doing just the outside point of view of my GoPro, and I'm gonna fix my angle because I watched back those videos that I done with the GoPro on my box and my Charger, and I didn't like how that angle was. The only thing you really could see was just the back glass and part of the roof. I didn't really like it, so I'm gonna end up fixing my angle so I can get a better angle to where y'all can see like some of the tail lights as well. So yeah, I just gotta do a little bit of playing around with it, see how it's gonna be. But like I said, like this video up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. And yeah, I've been waiting to do this video for a little minute, and now that I can finally do it, I'm gonna go ahead and do it, you know. So let me go ahead and get my setup and stuff put on the car and see how I'm gonna angle it and all that stuff, and I'm gonna come back to y'all. We're gonna get a cold start because it's been like, the car been sitting for like an hour, so it ain't really a cold start, but my temp went down, so kind of cold start. We're gonna do a little cold start of the car, and then we're gonna get the footage going. So I'll catch y'all in a second. All right y'all, so I was struggling with trying to get this set up. Now I need a longer instant visitor stick, whatever it's called, you feel me? I need another one of these sticks. I need another one so it can go out, come out a little farther. But for now, that's what we rocking with. I got it on the back of the window. You can see the T-tops. You can't see the hood like I wanted it to, or you can't see my tail lights like I wanted it to. So like I said, I'm gonna have to get a longer stick so it'll come out farther. But for now, this will be good, you feel me? That's what we rocking out with for now. So like I said, we finna get ready to get on the road, and it shouldn't be too long. Should be fairly quick, fairly easy. Got my GoPro, quick and easy, like I was saying. So I hope y'all ready, hope y'all enjoy this. It should be, like I said, pretty quick. I'm gonna take y'all around a couple blocks. I'm gonna try and do a different route than I've done the last couple times. So like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Now let's get on the road. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. I know it wasn't a lot. I mean, it was probably like 15 minutes, but you feel me, the next one, the next driving point of view should be on the inside of the car. Like I said, I'm gonna have it right here on my dash, so y'all have watched me driving and stuff, you feel me? So that's gonna be next. It's getting a little chilly, so I'm not gonna be able to keep having my tops off, which it'll be fine, you feel me? I'm still gonna be driving this car anyways. But yeah, my dashes work, which is a plus. The only one, like I said, the only one that don't work is my miles per hour. The rest of them do. My gas, I got half a tank of 93. My temp, I don't know what happened to it, but it works, you feel me? When I start the car up, it'll work. My oil, it goes up, and then my battery volts goes up. So it's a huge plus, man. I'm happy I was able to fix that. I'm happy I was able to find a video to fix it, you feel me? Instead of wasting like $40 to go get just a gas hand from AutoZone. So yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video, you feel me, of me driving the Cutlass around the town, you feel me? The town I live in ain't huge. I mean, it ain't small, but it ain't huge, you feel me? It ain't a big city, but you feel me, I can start doing different routes, you know? So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all got dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals. Not because I'm telling you, but because you should want to, you feel me? Go after y'all dreams and goals, you feel me? Just at least to say that you tried. I'm doing that now, recording these videos for y'all for my YouTube channel. Even if I don't make it, it's just so I know that I tried, you feel me? I tried my hardest, I gave it my all. So yeah, go after y'all dreams and goals. I love and appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. Like I said, let me know what y'all think. And y'all probably couldn't hear the car sound because of the wind and stuff, but yeah, excuse me. I love and appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch you on the next one.